What's up mga bike buds? Kamusta na? Kamusta na? It's been a very long time. So nabisi lang tayo sa ibang mga bagay-bagay, no? At hindi na tayo nakapag-focus ngayon sa bisikleta. But hopefully this will restart our journey na naman sa bisikleta because mag-unbox tayo ngayon. Ito, kung nakikita nyo sa likod ko, kadarating lang nito. Galing siya ng US, no? And excited ako because ito yung matagal ko nang hinahanap na frame set. Uh, so, syempre, alam nyo naman, no? Ang hilig ko na brand ng bisikleta ay iisa lang, no? Well, dalawa, tatlo. Yan. pero mga US brands na noon-noon, no? Na pang ano talaga, pang trail nung time ng 90s, no? I think this is about 1995 or to 1998. I'm not really sure, no? But it is something na talaga namang maganda. So, i-unbox natin siya at i-unbox ko sa harap ninyo. So, stay tuned. Yan, to unbox this, syempre kailangan natin ng cutter. Galing to ng USA, no? And yung kahon yan, well, ano lang yan. Kahon na pinaglagyan lang, but the frame itself is a 1990s na frame, no? Alright. So, na natin, makapal. Yun o. Alright. Diba? Natalo ba? Natalo ba yan? It's another. Tsaka dun sa requirement ko. Kasi talagang nice na pagka balot. System. Yeah. Yan. So this frame set is a beast. A Proflex beast. You know? Beast yan. Na World Cup design. So kaya ako siya kinuha because kompleto to. No? Kasi yung karamihan ng mga ano na nakikita ko hindi na maganda. No? But maayos pa to. No? Walang cracks. Siguro may discoloration lang which is fine kasi malilinis naman yan. Yung mga yan na natatanggal naman. So lilinisin lang to. Maayos yung mga supungan. Yan. Right? So this is I think probably 1998. And ang ganda rito kasi kasama na yung yan. No? May a headset na siya. Kompleto. So actually, kompleto din to. Right? So this is the adjustment. So basically, it's a complete bicycle. No? Maganda pa yung itsura niya. Right? Malinis. Malinis. Right? Maayos. Right? And maayos yung pagkakatabi nitong frame. Kaya kinuha ko siya. It's a beast. It's a Proflex beast. Yan. Beast. Proflex beast. So, hindi ko muna tatanggalin dyan. Actually, ang ayusin lang natin talaga dito. Ito, no? Lalagyan natin ng bagong. I'm thinking of putting a spring, no? So, hanapan kayo ng spring na pang bike. But, all the rest are okay. So, this is a Gervin Flex stem. So, original na Proflex na stem, no? So, yan. Alright. Oh, so DDS, right? Damping system. Alright, so ganda, no? Gervin. So, gagawin natin, tatanggalin muna natin to, strip natin, no? And then, lilinisin natin. But probably some other time. So, pinakita ko lang sa inyo dahil masayang-masaya ako dahil kadarating lang niya this week. No? Yan. So, original Proflex. But I think what I'll do is I'll keep this. Ang gagamitin ko is yung nandoon na isa, yung dark para bagay din sa kulay niya. And this one, we will keep because this is original. Alright? Ayan. Ayan, siguro tatanggalin natin yung mga foam, no? And then, we will see kung ano yung tsura. Ayan, ibabalik siya. Ooh, nice. you know, ground link system. So this is clean, no? Clean. Size 18, medium, but it's relatively clean. All right. This is the Beast World Cup design. So, ayan, Irvin. So, I think itatabi ko na. Well, I'll let this be. I'll keep it as it is. Lilinisin ko na lang to. But probably I'll keep the stem because this is an original stem, but I want to use a different stem and a different handlebar na iba. Even this is clean, clamp. May cover pa yung ano niya. So awesome. Right. For its price na nakuha ko, this is relatively super clean. Yeah, so that's about it. No? It's a very clean frame set. Very clean. Right. Few dings siguro, like this one. But that's negligible. But all in all, I have a build in mind for this. A build design na nakita ko rin sa internet and gagayahin ko siya because I love how it looked like. But of course, the components, I'm not sure if ililipat ko yung Diore XT components yung nandun sa current ProFlex natin na 950 off-road. Ilalagay ko dito because this should have Diore XT at least or the least or probably an XTR, kung makahanap tayo ng XTR. But again, pagka naghanap kasi tayo ng XTR, medyo expensive siya, no? I just want this to be a simple build. I have lots of, I have lots of group sets. So parts bin build na lang din to. But this is going to be an awesome build. Actually, hindi mo siya kailangan linisin. Malinis na siya.